cost-based, buyer-based, and competition-based per se. O yan, palis ka ang mga approaches nila. Ano siya i-under nila. So first is the cost-based. For cost-based pricing, the main determinant of the standard price will be the cost of the product. So it is an approach that the companies. So this is a pricing strategies that design to make the very important cost in mind, and that is called the cost-based pricing. So under this is the cost plus pricing and the target return pricing. Cost plus pricing literally means selling a product per price equal to its cost plus markup. So it is an approach, guys, that the companies use to set the selling price of goods and services. It also ensures that all costs are covered by the selling price. And cost plus pricing provides business flexibility and control. Example of this is an Apple phone. So, ang Apple phone, the original, example of cost plus pricing is an Apple phone. So, original price nila is, punta lang ka, example lang siya, $400, kanya, nakadecide ang company na ganahan sila yung profit of 20% sa original price, which is $200. So, yun na po ang selling price and that is $600. So, $400 original price and wala na sila ang profit of 50% of that. So, yun ang final selling price is $600. Muna ang cost plus pricing. Next is target rate of return price. Another approach under the cost-based pricing added to the cost target rate of return to come up with the product's selling price. So sa kanya yung hindi na siya mahog na redam natin na nilagay ito. BRP equals EC plus PROI times IC divided by EUS, wherein BRP means starting rate price. Ang UC guys is unit cost. And then BROI is the return on investment, IC plus the capital, and then EUS is expected unit sales goes up. Example, we have the users, GC na ito kay kuwan na ito, about snowflakes, dito, something like that. So, ano na na-explain? $50, kaya siya ang cost sa every snowflake ngayon. Kaya, kanya ang kalikuhan $2 million, $20 million. Kaya sa mga niya, ang 20% sa account investment, which is $2 million. $1 million. It is, but because they have but because they set it sa kanang amount, they created a perception of specificity and superior quality of our product methods. We all know that luxury brands are sold in hundreds or even millions one day. But yeah, for those people na afford any luxury brands are pwedeng financial kung sila sa account. Pwede mo na nila ibaligya or even i-renta lang. So that is the first value person. So next is price quality relationship pricing. It is not new to everybody and a lot of people associate price with quality. That is, the higher the price, the higher the quality and vice versa. So in simple words, higher price equals higher quality. Only siya ang first quality relationship pricing, guys. Higher price equals higher quality. So the higher ang price, mas equal sa quality sa inyong product. Diba naman sa mga kailan for now sa uban at gusto sa cheaper price, what equal quality. So mas mag-invest kayo sa halong sa balong bagay. Mas mag-last ang halong sa balong. Same sila ang gamit, but the quality next is loss leader pricing. There are certain products that companies choose to sell in very low prices. Okay. There are some reasons kung kailangan ay sell in low prices. It could be kung ma-expire or hindi na sila or hindi na nagkikabarato ang ilang products. And then purchasing these products can generate the customers buy other products that are much more expensive. So syempre, as a consumer, mag-overthink ka, anong barato naman kayo yung magkailangan ibaligya na compare sa other products na yung mga compare sa yung products na lately ay makadol sa other brands. So, ikaw yun, no? Kasi nasunod ka, overthink ka, anong barato mo na nila compare sa other products, alman. So yeah, so maybe because the material they use sa kanilang product is cheap. Yeah. That's second one. So next is the odd number pricing. Odd number pricing guys, galing 299, 999, 249, so naman ba? Kaya mas gusto sa mga buyers ito, odd numbers na opening ba? Kaysa sa mga like 1,000 na mga 999. At least ka lang. Dili sa siya loss sa consumer, dili sa siya loss sa market. Okay. So lastly, the price lighting. As they say, customers with more choices have higher chances of purchasing. With this, the companies often sell products in predetermined prices, giving the customers option. So, sa example given in the module, a loaf bread can be sold at different prices corresponding their labels as regular loaves, special loaves, and premium loaves. So sa kanila mga labels, anong regular, special, or premium is same lang sila o company, but na sila idagihan na choices without whereas mga consumers kayo. Pwede man yung regular loaf, buta na regular loaf kayo ko alas. Guys, pwede na lay na mga nice bread ko niya sa special loaf and I raise it sa premium kaya sa mga